We all know that keywords are the fundamental blocks of SEO and they are the prerequisite for your website visibility on search engines. One does not simply start SEO without doing keyword research. But do you know what are LSI keywords? Well, in this video I will share insights about LSI keywords in a nutshell. So grab a pen and a notebook and let's get started. LSI stands for Latent Semantic Indexing. They are basically related phrases or keywords which help to identify the content of a page. Remember, they are not synonyms. Although Google does not use LSI directly into its algorithm, instead it uses a much more advanced approach. It basically takes into account the web page as a whole rather than single keyword or phrase. Moreover, Google also pays close attention to the non-keywords terms of your page. So, in a conclusion, we can say that understanding LSI will help us to write better content which will rank better on search engine result pages as well. लगता है ये कंसेप्ट आपको समझ में नहीं आया. Don't worry, to simplify this I will give a couple of examples now. Suppose you have a blog related to car or a motor mechanic business. Then you can optimize for keywords like automobile, transmission, ABS, engine and other related keywords depending upon the intent of the user. This will help to gain more relevant traffic on your website. Remember, these are the basic keywords. For advanced keyword research, you can use prominent SEO tools like LSI Graph, Answer the Public, Keyword Planner, Ubersuggest and other prominent tools. Books are your best friends because they inspire us to do great things and overcome our failures. So if you have a blog related to book or an online e-commerce bookstore, you can look out for keywords like famous books, popular books, best-selling authors, or a blog on the following topics like recommended books to read, 10 must read books of all time will work like a charm. किताबों की बातें तो कर ली हमने, पर टीचर्स को कौन भूल सकता है? Alcohol may be your worst enemy, but the Bible says love your enemy. Well, jokes apart, if you are an owner of an e-commerce liquor store, then you can optimize for keywords like free delivery alcohol service, fast delivery alcohol service, wine and liquor shop online. I know you have a query in mind like I am putting a lot of keywords. Will it lead to keyword stuffing? Yes, it may lead to keyword stuffing if not done properly. For this, you need help of an professional SEO services. We are glad to inform you that at SEO Discovery, we have a team of goal-oriented digital marketers who will not only skyrocket your sales, but take your business to a new horizon of growth. We need to understand that both SEO and content go hand in hand, and content is the king. For this, we have a team of impeccable content writers who can provide you quality content which will not only attract, engage, but delight your audience too. Remember, SEO is not a once in a blue moon activity. It is a game of perseverance, persistence and patience. If you gained some knowledge from this video, don't be selfish, just hit the like button. Also, share your views in the comment section below. Last but not the least, this is Anmol signing off.